Well, welcome back. We've got Lori Lyerla in the studio this morning from the Neosho Chamber of Commerce. We've got several things that we're going to talk to her about this morning. Fall Festival, we'll talk about that in our next half hour. But right now, I want to focus on a job fair that's coming up here pretty soon.
That's right. We have our fall job fair that is next Tuesday, October 4th. It's from 11 to 2 at the Neosho Auditorium. And we have probably 20 to 25 employers. Usually there's still some people coming on. So if you're an employer and haven't signed up for it, we still have a few spots left. But it's a great opportunity for employees, people seeking jobs, maybe changing careers, to come and see the opportunities available. It's a very competitive job market right now.
Yeah, we were talking about the unemployment rate in Neosho. It's
pretty extremely low right now. Low. So I think it's like 2%, a little over 2%. So what we're seeing now is that employers are trying to attract employees from other positions. So it's a great market for employees because people are having to pay a little bit more. They're offering more benefits, trying to attract them to their businesses. So it's a very competitive job market for all our employers are struggling for employees. So,
yeah, and not all the businesses are actually from Neosho that'll be.
No, we have from the surrounding area. There's some Joplin businesses that participate each time. You know, there's lots of healthcare positions, manufacturing, real estate. There's just a wide variety. It's a great opportunity to just come out and because this is your best opportunity. You're talking to the people doing the hiring. You know, lots of times when you're going and applying someplace, you're just leaving an application, kind of waiting for them to call. This is a great opportunity. You're talking to the people that are doing the hiring, and so we encourage you to, you know, if you have a resume, bring it. If not, they'll have applications on site that you can fill out. But dress to impress, you know.
I was going to say first impressions.
Yes, yeah. Come out and just see what the opportunities are. So it's from 11 to 2. So if you're working and have a lunch break, that you can come out and check it out. But we're real excited. It's at the Neosho Auditorium, like I said, on October 4th, which is Tuesday, from 11 to 2.
Okay. All right. What are some of the employees that will be there?
So yeah, I was looking at that right before we came on. So lots of our major employers like Lazy Boy, Indigo Sky will be there, General Mills, NutriBlend, the Reddings Mill Fire Department, Opal Foods, Red Collar Pet Foods, the City of Neosho, Ozark Center, Freeman, Trowel, People's Bank, Manpower, KNS Wire, Access Family Care, Missouri WellNet. Just a lot of, like I said, a whole variety of jobs. There's just a lot of opportunities. And I think sometimes people don't realize all the really great opportunities there are in this area for jobs.
I've actually been surprised over the years finding, like, you know, I'm looking at something online and I find out that they're based in the Neosho area. Or wow, there's a lot of industry in Neosho.
There is. There's I was talking with Missouri WellNet the other day, and they were just like, we need people to know what we do. They're like the largest supplier of walnut in the world, and that's right. And their headquarters are in Neosho, Missouri. So and a lot of technology. You know, a lot of times people are like, well, I don't want to be in manufacturing. A lot of this is advanced manufacturing, very clean, high-tech environments to work in with great morale and great opportunities. So Lazy Boy's doing a huge expansion currently. I think they're at about 950 employees. They hope to get up to 1,100. So there's always lots of opportunities there for a great position.
How have you seen, like, the business growth in the Neosho area over the past
few
years?
It is just right now. I've never seen so much activity in so many of the different areas. So we've got all this building going on in our school system. Real estate, although it's slowed down a little bit, there's still a huge demand for housing in Neosho. We see a lot of people moving to Neosho, especially with that I-49 connector opening up. It's very attractive to live in Neosho for great schools, lower cost of living, and work in Northwest Arkansas. So we're seeing that growth. Our downtown is just booming right now. So exciting to see new restaurants opening. A lot of new things to do in Neosho. The bike trails are beautiful. So there's just a lot going on. I had someone the other day say they were downtown. They're like, wow, it's amazing what's going on here. They were up from Eureka Springs, so they were in Neosho for lunch and said they plan to come with a ladies group once a month now to Neosho, so it's exciting.
That's awesome. Okay, and you've got a college there as well.
We do, Crowder College. So there is not only lots of jobs, but there's lots of opportunities for that career advancement by taking, whether getting certifications, going for workforce training. Crowder's a great partner with us and with the community.
All right. And where can people go to find more information?
So you can find more information on our Facebook page, Neosho Area Chamber of Commerce, on our website, neoshocc.com, and on our Experience Neosho app.
Okay, and again, this is coming up next Tuesday, October 4th at the Municipal Auditorium.
Yes, formerly known as the Civic, which was formerly the Auditorium.
That's right.
Keeps
and that's
changing
located
names,
at
but it's the
109
same
West
place.
Main Street.
That's correct.
And it'll be running from 11 to 2
Yep.
for your lunch hour.
Awesome.
All right, well, thank you so much. We'll have you back later in the show. We'll
Okay.
learn more about the Neosho Fall Festival when you return.
Exciting stuff.
We'll be right back.